Traveling to the Florida Keys and want to enjoy the water? Island Life Yacht Charters offers 4 to 8 hour yacht charters on this stunning 65-foot Viking Princess yacht. You can either enjoy 4 to 8 hours on the water or take a 1-day to 7-day trip to the Bahamas, stay overnight, relax in the crystal clear blue waters. Check this opportunity out at islandlifeyachtcharters.com. That's islandlifeyachtcharters.com, offering yacht charters in the Florida Keys in Islamorada, Conch Key, Marathon, Key Largo, and surrounding communities. islandlifeyachtcharters.com.